So first you can carry it around on your trips, and it is very convenient and secure inside it. We will start by adding the phone and preparing it to record in the landscape mode, but of course the tripod can record in the portrait mode as well. So the first step is, this is very easy, to put the phone here, make sure it goes all the way till the end here, and then if you are recording there, this AI should face also that direction. So how you do it, you press this button here and this one to snap it out, and then you can put it back. It is magnetically hold, and it's just for the secure. So we want it to face that direction if we need to record. Then the second step is just, we want it to balance. So if you can see here now, if I put it like this, it is not balancing. The phone, it's dropping on this side. It should balance like this perfectly. So to be able to balance it, what we will do, we will release this like this, and then I will just put it more on this side here like this, and then let's try now. So you can see now it's a bit better, but still now it's going a bit to this side. It's not perfectly balanced, so we'll again return it a bit. So you can see now that it is balancing well. And why is this important to do? So now we'll just close this because we find the perfect spot. So this is important to do because it will still work, but it will consume a lot of battery. So it's important that you put it like a perfect balance for itself like this. Let's now pair it for the Bluetooth. So we will scan what is available. Of course, the device needs to be on, and then you will see here with the paired device, we'll select the M7 gimbal, which is at the bottom. It says IM7, so let's pair with the one, and now it is connected, and you can see this symbol here, this blue symbol. It indicates that we connected to the Bluetooth. So to change it to English language, we go to these options here, and then this first option, and then English. To do portrait, just switch this like this to the portrait mode, and then we will need to do readjustment of this leveling as well. To recenter the gimbal, you need to press trigger button 2 times, and then it will be perfectly balanced. So let's make some smooth videos. We want to record some nice video here, and then the fence is obstructing our view. So what we will do, we can put the gimbal on standby mode by clicking this button twice. It will go into standby mode, so now you can manually rotate or do anything, whatever you want with gimbal. So what I will do is I will show you how you can extend it here. So once the gimbal is in standby mode, you can just hold it here, and then as you can see, this one is extendable to this point, and now we can record without this view obstructing us. So let's reset it back to on. Again, double click and it will be, and then we can record above the fence level. It is that easy. We have A and B points, so I will save this A point. Once you hear this sound, it's recorded. So now we will move it to another point, which will be like this other boat, and then we go to the point B. Again, just hold for 2 seconds. Now saved as a position. So now when I press A, it will quickly go to that first boat, as you can see here. And if I press B, it will quickly go to that point. So I imagine this feature as a perfect if you are doing some interview video, if you want to toggle between one and another person, and also there is a slow motion to go to another point. If you double click, you will see now that it is going slowly to that other reference, as you can see here. Now another cool feature is, let's say you are recording some vlog video and you are showing the front, and then you quickly want to toggle to show yourself. What I will just do is triple time click the trigger button, and then it will automatically rotate to record me. So how cool is that? Within 3 clicks you can rotate to show another side as quickly as that. Now maybe the best feature is the AI tracking. So we'll turn on this upper part, so it will blink this red one, meaning now it's ready to track, and I will show you now how to use this feature. Get the signal on our remote. You will see here that we can control it from a remote. And now let's say we are recording. You can see me perfectly, and this is coming from that AI thing. It's not from my camera. That's important to notice. So let's start recording, and now we are recording, and I will show you what you need to do to enable AI tracking. So to enable AI tracking, we just need to do this move, and now you can see it recognized my face, so I don't even need anymore this recorder. And then let's say you are making some instructions, yoga or whatever, it will automatically track your face, as you can see here. And you can also reposition the frame by doing this. Now it will hold only that position. So now we'll plug it in for charging. It takes around 3 hours to charge it fully, and then you can also use it as a power bank. So that type C to type C, you can use it as a power bank to power your phone, because this battery is big. It's around 3000 milliampere hours, so it can last for up to 12 hours of usage with only 3 hours of charge. Let's try now to create some interesting time lapse. So we'll go here into the scenario and then time lapse. And then let's set it up to 5 minutes. You can set up basically any time going to 100, even more, like 200 minutes. So we'll do only 5 minutes. And then what we need to do, basically show it the first point where we want it to start. So let's select some of this point here. And then we need to just press this plus button. So once you press plus button, this will be like your first point. And then you can move it. Doesn't matter, the camera is off now. You can move it like a bit to see actually how I'm moving. So this is maybe a nice spot to capture all these buildings, and that we will add as a second point here, as you can see, added here. And then maybe we move it more towards this view, so this will be like a third point. You can see how it is adding all these points, and then maybe the final view all the way till the end, and maybe a bit down, so you can see also this, how it is like shifting up and down automatically. So let's do now this as a fourth point. You can do of course even more, but let's now put the time lapse on the, so I have selected here the hyperlapse. Let's click this start. As you can see, it will go to that first point. Don't forget to start recording of the time lapse, and now it will do for 5 minutes, but it will do all these movements automatically as we set it up in the first initial trajectory. So just make sure not to move your tripod, keep it steady, and then it will do all its magic automatically. As you can see, it's already started moving slowly. So let's see how this time lapse will end up. Let's say you want to capture wide angle video, and as you can see in the bottom right corner, I have my gimbal visible in the video. So how to remove that? Basically we have option, this wide angle scenario. So if we click on it, you will see now how it will put the phone in the front and this thing at the back, so you can capture the full amazing wide angle video. Now I can bet that you never saw a video of Burj Khalifa from this perspective, and what we'll do is start recording and then we'll just zoom in and you can see that how the video will be. So let's start zoom. I'm doing everything from my controller. And why I'm using controller? Because this is behind the bars and you can simply use everything from here and do the right, do the left, everything easily from the controller. And what I like about this travel case is that you can put not only the gimbal, but as well you can see I put power bank, LED and 2 microphones, and this will be now a perfect travel box for me while going on the trip and making videos. And that will be all for this video. I would say I'm not impressed but super amazed with this device. How many features? I believe still I didn't show even 50% of the features it has, so make sure to check the link in the description of this video. The app has amazing instructions how to use it and how to utilize all these different features, so this will be definitely my favorite new gadget while recording the videos on this channel. So until next time, assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.